Good afternoon. Good afternoon. This is our UniFi Access Control System we installed yesterday. Let me take a look at that. Very nice and sleek. This is our exit. All you have to do is swipe in front. Very nice. Releases the door. So we got some nice little features with this card reader here. You can give temporary codes. You can have permanent codes put in there attached to whoever is supposed to be here at the building, or whatever visitor you can give them a code. You can hit the doorbell. You can release the door. They can come in that way. You can see who's coming in. Also with this camera, it has a motion detection feature on it. So we can set the parameters 10, 15, 20 feet out. You can see who's coming to the door before they even get to the door. You can release the door that way also. You know what? There's another little feature that we're adding on here. Is this smart sensor. UniFi smart sensor. We're actually going to be using this as a door contact. And along with that, it's going to be a motion detector as well. So we'll be pairing this to the access point. And then from there, we'll be able to, via Bluetooth, and then from there we can be able to catch it onto the access control system, and then it can be integrated together. But I'm very anxious to see how this is going to play out. This is very cool. I'm ready to see how this works.